or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha Latrice, and you already see that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous bombshell right here, honey, and if you are ready to see just how easy she is to put on and how she is just absolutely fabulous, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and the coupon code. What's up, everyone? I am super duper excited to get into this unit because, honey, I can already tell it's going to be super duper fast and super duper beautiful. So let's go ahead and put her on. All right now. Nice already. This is her right out of the box, and what I can say, right out of the box, it feels amazing and it is very snug to my head. I did adjust the band and it fits amazing. I feel confident that this is not going anywhere. It feels so good. Let's get into this color. Do y'all see this color? This color is amazing. I am loving this color, and this parting, baby, is amazing. Now what we're gonna do is we don't have to do much. First off, we ain't got to do much to this unit because you can put it on right out of the box just like this, and you are good to go. Because look at that, it already comes pre-curled, it's already pre-cut, it's already pre-bleached. You cannot see this lace for real. Now you can see it a little bit, but we're about to fix that. But honey, look at this. Before we start playing with this hair, let's take care of this lace. And what we're going to do is we're going to use my, y'all already know, that Roby setting mousse, and we're just going to put it around the lace in the front to lay this lace down. We are wearing this glueless, but you still want the lace to look flawless. So we're gonna put some mousse on.
The last time I let you get up under my skin, I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go.
Now that we have the mousse around the lace to help melt it down, we're about to get into this hair, and then we'll be done with this unit. Super easy, quick hair to put on. Let's get into this hair, y'all. So like I said earlier, you do not have to curl this unit. All you really need to do is like finger comb the hair out. So let's do that and see how it looks. This is how she looks with the hair just finger combed out, and she looks gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. But what we're going to do is we're going to help it a little bit because it has been traveling in a box. So we're going to help it a little bit by putting a curl here and there. It doesn't need a lot, but I'm going to help it out a little bit since it's been traveling and some of the curls have been flattened or whatnot. So we're going to boost it up with a curl here and there, not all over because it is not needed, but we're going to do a little soft.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo.
Alright, y'all, so I have curled her up. I did a little bit more curls than I was intending to do, but she looks cute. So what we're going to do next is we're going to finger comb this hair. and get into these flyaways, because we do have a little flyaways that we need to tame. So let's go ahead and get into these curls.
Enough for you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo.
Alright, y'all. So this is her with the curls all combed out. So let's go ahead and take this band off. Ooh, this looks gorgeous. Now I got this showing right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut that off. Boom. Look at it. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. This lace, wow, it melts so good into my skin. Absolutely amazing. But let's go ahead and get into this hair. But first, I want to put some wet stick on this hair because, honey, it is flying. It is saying hello.
Oh, just like a tattoo.
Look at that. Pretty. This is so pretty. I am absolutely impressed with this unit. This was so easy to put on and quick. You cannot tell me this ain't it. Look at it. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. So because this is a 7x6, I want to do a middle part so we can see how she look in the middle. So let's go ahead and do that. And here she is. Like, look at her. Look at her. Yo, this is gorgeous. I am loving this. I can't stop running my fingers through this hair because it's like, it's so soft. It is really, really, really soft. It's amazing. Okay. Absolutely amazing. I'm not getting any tangles, none whatsoever. The shedding is very, 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 very minimum. I'm probably getting a strand like every now and again. Every now and again I'm getting a strand, but other than that, this unit is amazing. So honey, yes, get into it. Okay, so let me show you the back.
Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Where every time is the.
So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me hair clip, a Luv Me hair rat tail comb, a Luv Me hair baby hair brush comb combo, wig cap, and a Luv Me hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. This is Luv Me Hair's Pardon Max Glueless HD Lace Closure Elegant Body Weight 7x6 pre-cut wig. I am wearing this in the color brown blonde highlight. You are able to get this unit in numerous lengths as well. You can get it in 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26 inches as well. I am wearing the 20 inches. The density on this unit is 150%, so you do get a good grade of hair. It's thick, but it's not too heavy on the head. It's lightweight at the same time. The lace type is HD lace, and the lace area is 7x6, so it goes across 7 and towards the back 6. With this unit in the parting, it comes in a default left C part, but by it being a 7x6 closure wig, you're able to part this in numerous ways. So you're able to part it in the middle as you see here. As y'all saw earlier, it came in the left C part. You're also able to do the right part, side part, whatever your heart desire. This unit comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the back. Now with this particular unit, I am very impressed because they actually have the comb in the back wider. It's not normal to have it that wide, but I am actually enjoying the wide comb. I feel that it is securing the back of the wig very nicely, and it doesn't feel uncomfortable to me. With this unit, you get a detachable, adjustable silicone band that helps give you that glueless effect. With this unit, you do not get adjustable straps, but I think with this unit, because they made the comb in the back wider, it took up for that. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. And like I said earlier, the shedding is at very minimum. You may get a hair here on there, so it's no worries for shedding. This unit is glueless, honey, 100% glueless. I did not glue this down. All I did was use setting lotion, and you are good to go. This unit should last you 1 year or more, depending on how you care for it. This unit also can be dyed, but it is not recommended to bleach this unit. Now let's talk about a couple of features that comes with this unit, and honey, I am here for the features. This unit comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleach. It is no work needed with this unit. It is so soft, and it's a classic style that is very versatile, that you can wear for multiple occasions. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's great for work, church, date night, or lounging around. Now let's get into the pros and cons, starting with the cons. One of the cons to this unit is it is no adjustable strap. Some people do not like using the band. I do like that you are able to adjust the band in the unit, or you could just take it out completely. But what I do not like is that it doesn't have the straps in the back. But on the other hand, the comb, because it is wider, it does take the place of the straps. Another con to this unit, it is no layers. Like, honey, it would be so amazing if this unit had layers. Now if you know how to cut some layers into this unit, honey, this is it. Okay, you put some layers in this unit and it would be so amazing. I mean, it's amazing without the layers, but it will take this unit up a couple of notches, honey. Yes. Now I'm not an expert scissor hands, okay, so I cannot cut no layers. But if you are skilled or experienced in cutting layers in your hair, you would love to put some layers in this unit because it looks so amazing. Now let's get into the pros of this unit. The pro to this unit is that I actually enjoyed the wider comb. I know I have mentioned it multiple times throughout this video, but I actually am enjoying the wider comb. Now it may not be for everybody, but I actually use the comb in the back to secure my wig on more. I love the security, I love the band, I love every security feature that they put in a wig. I use all of them because I don't want my wig going anywhere, okay? I don't want it sliding off, I don't want it flying off, and with this unit I feel absolutely confident that it is not going to go anywhere. It's fitting on my head perfectly. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. I feel amazing in this unit. Also, another pro to this unit is the color. The color is so amazing to this unit. They did their thing when it came to this color. It blends so nicely. They did an amazing job. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this gorgeous beauty right here, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well. Just use code LM76 for the 7x6 series, and you will save a 32% off. Now this unit is already at an amazing price, and you will be able to save even more. Just make sure you use code LM76 for 32% off. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!